Just wanted to show you guys what I did to the place. Oh my goodness, he's so funny. Anyways, we rearranged the place, so we basically just flipped where the TV and couch were, and it just opened up the place so much more, and there's so much light coming in through, like, right on the couch where the TV used to be, and overall it's just so much better. So I'm just gonna give you an view. I think it's really nice, and it's way more comfortable and inviting. My mom gave me these Burt's Bees for cats, Danger, and I'm gonna give him a little Bubby, a bath. He just hit his head on my knee though. Are you okay? Look, isn't this so cute? Get your little pawsies. Nope, you're not done yet. Gotta get them all. Bubby. That's good for you. That's good for your well body.
Black more the black one. Oh, there's a couple. These are pretty. Oh no, it's 17. Everybody wants a kitten? One of my students has 3 female cats. None of them stayed, and they all had kittens. He's got 17 kittens.
Oh my god.
Tee-hee.
Oh yeah.
Tee-hee.
Oh, you mean?
Go. I don't know, I'm just really bored, but I guess I'll just give you an update. So like right now everyone is getting ready for like midterms, and sorry about that. It kind of reminds me that I need to call Harmony Motorworks because I want to get air conditioning in my car. Someone is literally in the back of a car, and that is illegal. Like in a truck bed, and it's illegal, and they like almost pulled up right next to the cop but didn't. Look. I hope you saw that.
Icon. Yeah. The dog. Dude, I'm so scared. Get it, Nadia.
This corner. Oh yeah.
Wait. Best lunch date. Cute parking lot.